Now let's see how we are going to add videos to our HTML. So nothing much, we have a separate tag called video tags. Unlike image tag, these are not self-closing. So let's look at it. Let's go to the end, just before the footer. Let's type the video. And let the source be first. Let's download a video. For this we are going to this pixels. I like this video, I'm going to download it. Thank you, Mikhail. Now let's use another video. Yeah, let's use it. Yeah, thank you again. And I have saved these images inside a video folder. So let's head over to a code. I'm going to use, yeah, the source is videos slash, going to use drone cap 1 .mp4. Let's save this and head over to a main page. Let's save this and refresh it. Oops. Let's refresh the page. Yeah, the video is here. Now this video is in play and we don't have a control over it, and this video is very large. So let's change its width and height. Width is equal to, let's give it 1400, and let's give the height to, let's simply give the width. Edit design the wire height. Oh, let's save this and boom, perfectly aligned. So now we need to give controls to this video. How can we do that? So it is simple. Simply type controls. That's it. Nothing more. That just controls. Now let's save this. Let's head over to the output. Let's refresh the page. Now we got these beautiful controls. We can play this video, we can adjust the sound, we can use this full screen, and we can use the picture in picture mode. That is, we can use this video as a small image, and we can do many more things. This video stops once it reaches its 15 seconds. How can we loop through the video? It's also a very simple, and we have to type loop. Let's refresh it. Now I'm going to play this video will play. Now let's watch it patiently.